Anyway, I'm done here. I think I have to go.
Canixidol?
Akin na nga yan.
That's for animals. Nagkukos yan ng muscle paralysis. Bakit meron ka niyan? Olive, yan ba ang binigay mo kay Mookie kaya bigla siyang hindi makalakad?
Of course not. Bakit ko naman ito ibibigay sa kanya?
Bakit walang laman yan? Saan mo ginamit yan?
Astrid? Are you implying something?
No. No.
A mother is accused of medical child abuse, also known as Munchausen syndrome by proxy, against her 10-year-old daughter, Abigail Smith. Even though Abigail was healthy, the mother overdosed her child and had her undergo multiple surgeries, leading to her death.
Hey, Emma! Panoorin mo to, oh. May kaso sa Amerika. Yung bata, malubha ang sakit. Yung pala, gawa-gawa lang ng nanay. Ini-injection na ng kung ano-anong gamot yung bata para magkasakit.
Ako naman, Nay. Bakit naman niya gagawin yun?
Kasi daw, para wag siyang iwanan ng bata. Para wag mawalay sa kanya. Kahit malaki na, umaasa pa rin sa kanya. Yun ang gusto niya.
Naku, malamang may sakit sa isip yung babaeng yan.
Ito nga, ang sabi dito, meron daw, paano ba pag-pronounce ito? Munchausen by proxy. Ewan. Basta yun.
What kind of a mother do you think I am? Na intentionally kong sasaktan ang sarili kong anak?
Olive, I'm sorry. But don't you really think we have to bring Mookie to the hospital?
Why?
I mean, this is life-threatening. We can't ignore this.
I am not bringing her to any hospital dahil wala akong tiwala sa ibang doktor. And I am the only doctor she needs.
Concerned lang naman ako sa bata.
You know what, Astrid? This will be the last time you will ever talk to me about my daughter. Because she's none of your business.
I just want to help.
I know you do. But you're just making things worse.